Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. Here I'm using a bucket like this. Actually, it is two buckets, one stuck inside another one. So I'm in a win-win situation because two buckets looks rather stronger than one. Here I'm getting a measurement of its height and its circumference so that we can cut the foam according to the size. The foam is 1 inch thick. Actually, I got it from an old sofa. So just ignore the lines and marks you see on it. Then keep the foam on the bucket and get a measurement like this. The fabric is 4-way stretchy velvet in dusky pink color. It's really smooth and one of my favorite colors. For the entire project, I just used just 1 yard of material. Then I cut out a 5.5 inch square piece of cardboard and transfer the shape into the fabric like I'm showing here. Then I cut it out. We need to have 5 or 6 pieces of diamond shapes in total. This is actually a tricky way to get a diamond tufting look because usually people do it on a wooden base. I'm using a small piece of cardboard in the inner side so that while we are sewing it, it will not break through the foam. Fold the seams of the diamond shape slightly inwards, or you can use a bit of fabric glue inside so that it will hold it in place while we are sewing it. We need to close the short sides together. So I'm sewing the fabric first. Then I'm sewing the foam as well. To close the foam completely, I'm using a bit of glue in between. Insert the whole thing into the bucket, and I'm using hot glue to fix its sides. The final step is to make a lid for it. Here I'm showing you two methods. One is just by using cardboard and another is with plywood. I used 4 cardboard pieces. The more you use, the more stronger it will be. Then some foam or fiber and fabric, gluing everything together with hot glue. The foam or fiber on top of it will help to spread the weight and pressure, so it will be much stronger than we imagining. And I cover the inner side with some upholstery lining material. And here is the final look of the lid made out of cardboard. Then I used the plywood, drilled 2 holes at the center point, and using long fabric. We can use small strips of fabric. We don't need to have a single length of material. I told you I finished the entire project with just 1 yard of fabric only. Using a staple gun to secure the edges into the plywood. Making small pleats in between so that it will give a look of a pleated round cushion. Here you can see I'm attaching the second strip of fabric. Here I plan to use fiber instead of foam because I'm running out of foam. I got it from an old cushion pad. And again, here it is the time to check your sewing skills. Following the running stitch method, and please remember to use a really strong thread, not just a regular one. Gather all the pleats together and tie tight at the center point. Here I'm adding a diamond tufting button at the center. And you can either tie it tight or use the staple gun to secure it like I am showing here. I covered the inner side with the lining material and the bottom of the bucket also. And there you go, that's the final product. If you like the idea, please give me a thumbs up, and your subscriptions and comments give me more inspiration. So stay tuned and see you next time. Bye bye.